How to use Walmart Scan and Go. Hey everybody! If you'd also like to use the Walmart Scan and Go feature, you may follow up the steps. So open up the Walmart application and you need to have the location enabled so that you are recognized in a Walmart store. The app recognizes you in a Walmart store. Once you do so, once you are logged in, you can look out for the scan and go option, usually located in the top right corner. You can find it right beside the search bar. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, you can just go ahead and scan your barcode from your screen. Now scan the barcode of each of the item as you add it into a cart. You can adjust the quantity within the application. Once you've scanned all your items, you can review your cart. You can review your cart at the top right corner, and there you will be finding all of the items that you've already scanned. You can just go ahead and proceed to checkout within the application, or you can head to a self checkout lane and in the app select checkout, then confirm your payment method and scan the QR code displayed on the self checkout screen to finalize the product purchase. And that way, you may just go ahead and use the scan and go feature very easily on Walmart. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.